Hello my friend, welcome back again. This is Fior di Latte channel and I'm Francesco. Today I'm going to make soy shrimp with sweet chili sauce. Amazing dish for your friend and your family. If you follow me in the kitchen, we can start the recipe. This is what you need for this recipe. This is about 800 gram, 1 kilo of king prawns, tiger prawns. I washed them, removed the skin, but I left the head because the head is very tasty and will make a nice flavor on your recipe. And then you need 1 spring onion. If you don't have a spring onion, 1 medium onion is exactly the same. And then few cloves of garlic, 5 or 6, some salt, half teaspoon chili powder, or if you don't like very spicy, you can use paprika, fresh parsley, 3 or 4 spoons of dark soy, 3 or 4 spoons, maybe 5, sweet chili sauce, medium, not very spicy, and of course extra virgin oil. Put the pan on the flame, in this case induction, make sure medium, not very hot. And then we can add the oil, about 4 or 5 spoons. I already chopped the onions, the spring onion, and now I put in the oil. Not very hot the oil, otherwise fry. You see? And you stir it a little bit. You see? It's not very hot because you need to cook slowly. And now I cover it. In this case, I don't put any salt because we use the soy, but I'll tell you later on. Now we can put the garlic. And cover it. At this point, you put just a bit of water. Look, not that much. It's about 3-4 spoons. Look, yeah, 3 spoons. Because we need the water to make the steam and cook the onions and the garlic without frying. You see the steam? And now, slowly, you can start to put the fish. The prawns in this case. You do like that. Don't put all together at the same time because they're very tender and delicate. I don't want to break them. And now I fill the pan with all the prawns. I'm now using bigger pan because I want them to stay all together close, otherwise they get dry. Okay, now you can cover for a few minutes. It's about 5 minutes cooking. Look at that. You see, they don't boil a lot, you just steam and cook slowly. And now I can put the chili powder. As I said, you can put the paprika if you don't like a chili powder. Okay? And then sweet chili sauce. I like it quite spicy, but if you like very spicy, you put a little bit less. Or if you like explosive, you put more. You decide. You eat. And then I put the soy sauce. You see? All together. Let me stir it very slow. I don't want to break them. Now I cover it. The soy sauce and the spice, they are not mixed yet with the prawns. What I'm doing now, I put some water, boiling water hot, like that, not that much. You see, it's enough. Because I want to infuse them with the prawns. So that's why, pour a little bit of water, you see, Now they're watering, but later on, no. So, all the spices, they're well incorporated with the prawns. Look at that. Like an infusion, you see? Okay. Now, I cover them, let them cook for a few minutes. After 6 or 7 minutes, that's the result. Flame off, and now chop some parsley, fresh parsley, and a sprinkle on top of that. And then you cover it again and let them steam for 1 minute. And now I put in the plate. Don't worry about the head. The head, they split from the body of the prawn, but this is normal. But they give you very nice taste. That's why I kept them. Then put on top the sauce. This is like special juice. And now we are ready to eat. Look at that. Look at the sauce. Usually I serve them with a nice fresh salad. You can put lemon juice, mayonnaise, whatever you like. And that's it. Ready to eat. Enjoy your meal. The recipe is done. I hope you like it. If you want, text me and let me know what do you think about that. And then subscribe, share, and if you can, like. See you soon for my next recipe. I'll wait for you, and don't forget, enjoy your meal. Bye!